Hello, hey guys. This video is recorded so that I can teach you how to upload articles on the blogs that you're managing. Anyways, um, let's begin. You should be familiar with this menu actually. So I'm just gonna use this menu as an example. So you have your own personal Trello board with your own to-do list of things that you need to do. So, if you ever need to upload items on Trello, I will tell you. If you ever need to upload articles on WordPress blogs that you manage or write for, I'll probably tell you um, separately to yourself, or I will write to you on Trello. I'll just have assign work to you on Trello. So anyways, if you're just a blog manager, that means you're not a writer and uh, you are in charge of uploading articles. This is how you upload articles. And if you're a writer, you have to upload articles to websites that are assigned to you anyway. So this is just an example. Anyways, if you go here, there's articles upload, and then these are the sites that for example you have to upload articles to. So let's try the first website. Okay, garden tools and equipment info.com. So I'll have already went to your I've already have given you access to this dashboard. So what you need to do is you go to your dashboard. Yeah, go to your dashboard here, and then you go to main WP. So it should automatically direct you to main WP. What you need to do is you go to posts here, right? Okay, click manage posts. And then if this is a new website, you need to remove the hello world post. So this is an example site. So you need to you need to remove the hello world post. Okay, let's pretend that this post is kind of like the hello world post. Okay, right? So what you need to do is you go to you go to the website. So gardening tools and equipment info. So you click here and click show posts. So so um, you really want to get rid of the post. So um, there are many posts here. So this is a privacy policy about us, contact us. So don't touch them. If you see here, this is post type. Don't touch these pages. Like these pages are the ones over here, and you shouldn't touch them. Don't remove them at all. Instead, what you want to do is you want to look here. This is kind of the post that you are looking at, that you want to delete if it's the hello world post. And what you do is you click here, you can either move to trash or you delete it permanently, and then you click apply, right? So um, I'll just pretend to move it to trash right now, but you should delete it permanently. Okay, so I'll just pretend that you move to trash, you apply it, and then yeah, you just remove that hello world or the starting post, right? Okay, so anyway, I'll put it back. I'll put that post back later. Okay, so now here's what you need to do to upload a new post. So every website should have around 5 or 6 new posts. Every new website should have around 5 or 6 posts that you should upload. So what you need to do is first, when you see this articles upload right over here, you need to go to the Dropbox. So in the Dropbox, so this is the Dropbox, right? In the Dropbox, you'll be given access to a folder that has all the articles you need. So in this case, this is the articles for each individual website. Alright, if you are a blog manager, if you are a writer, I will have already assigned a website for you to write for and given you access to it. So you'll write the articles and post them instead of uploading them on Dropbox. So okay, so here are some articles that you have in this Dropbox. So I'll look for gardening tools and equipment info, which is this one. Okay, so this one here, right? So you take any of these articles and you open it up. So you see a Word document, right? Now, here's what I need to do. So the title is called Important Gardening Tools, right? Okay, so okay, let me copy and paste this properly. Yeah, important gardening tools. So sometimes the article doesn't have a header on top. A header is it's kind of like a title, but it's like something that calls for attention. So what you can do in this case is you just take the title itself and you copy paste it here, and then you make it a header. So this is heading one. Heading one is uh, what we are going to do for these words. So it's very important that every post can only have one heading one. So only one H1, and then you can have as many H2s or H3s as possible, as many as you like. Yeah, so only one H1. This is very important, and of course only one title. So make sure, okay, what I need to do now is just copy, select, and copy paste this whole thing here, right? Okay, so just copy and paste it. Now, if you're using Word, you have pasted everything. So make sure that this link is active. Make sure that everything is the same, okay? From this article. Now, since this article doesn't have headings, uh, okay, hold on a second. Okay, since this article has no headings, right? Okay, let me close this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, um, yeah. So if the article has no headings, what you need to do is you add headings yourself. So, okay. So what I'll do is that I'll take a quick look through this uh, paragraph and just select a phrase like right safety equipment. So right safety equipment, right? And then what you do is you choose heading 2 for the next heading. You can choose like heading 3 if you want it to be a subheading under heading 2. So for example, if this was if you want to talk about more about right safety equipment, but yeah, you want to talk about right safety equipment and you want to talk about petrol tools, you can just do like petrol tools here, and then you click heading 3, right? So this is one of the things you can do. So like let's just add one or two more headers. Okay, so see here, pole pruners, right? Okay, so I'm gonna just do heading 2. Remember never to click heading 1 more than once. Okay, so okay, now this I'll just add another random one here, other useful tools, because I just skimmed through this paragraph and saw this. So okay, so I'm just gonna add this as heading 2. Okay, right. So now adding images, right? So what you can do is either so what I will do is I'll just save this as a picture. Okay, I'm gonna save it as okay, gardening equipment. Okay, and it's going to be in my downloads folder. I'm going to save all the images, this one as well. Okay, so gardening soil png. Okay, right. Okay, so now that I've gotten everything I need from here, I don't need it anymore anyway. Okay, what I can do is just drag it into the post. You see there's this blue highlight here. Yeah, just add it in. So make one very important thing is that make sure the title is correct, gardening equipment. Make sure alternate text is there. This is very important. Make sure this alt text thing is filled. And remember, and just make it something that's similar to the title, so gardening equipment. The reason is because Google, the search engine, can't see images, so it needs to refer to alternate text to know what the picture is about. So you're telling the Google robot what the image is. So okay, I inserted this and I'm going to format it a little bit, align to center. So what you can also do is actually you can you can add you can align the picture to the side. So here's how you can do that. Okay, so click at the start of any of any paragraph, and then click add media. So now it's the same thing all over again. Just drag it into this box. Okay, now you dragged it already, right? So now remember, make sure that this is proper. So just gardening tools for soil, right? Make sure that title and alt text is filled up and proper, and then insert, and it should be inserted in. Okay, now it looks screwy now, but uh, if you click align left, and it's aligned into the text. So um, right, so we are done with article uploads, and in the future, if you do have YouTube, if okay, let me show you a YouTube embed, right? So let me just find a random YouTube video about uh, about about gardening. So gardening tools, okay. Okay, I'm gonna just check it. I'm gonna take this one. Okay, just take the top one, and then I'm gonna add it inside here. So here's what happens. You just copy and paste the URL in, and then the video just appears here. Here's what I need to do. That's all I need to do for videos. Okay, so um, yeah, so ignore these things. Now we are almost ready to publish, but here's the thing. Okay, I'm gonna do the smaller things first here. Okay, so all right. Okay, so okay, okay, yeah. Okay, ignore this. Okay, you gotta scroll down, and you gotta look for select sites. So select the site that you want to post this for. So click on Garden Tools and Equipment Info. It's the one that we are posting to. So alright, there's categories here. So what you can do is you can add new categories. For example, this is on gardening tools, right? So I'm gonna make a new category called gardening tools. And in the future, you can even click on uh, other categories that you want this post to be under. And you should, because they are all on the same theme. You can do it. So you can make around 2 or 3 categories per site. Anyway, I'm gonna create a new category. And I'm also gonna create tags, right? Okay, so tags, for example, this is gardening tools. Okay, I'll separate them in comments. Gardening, soil, gardening tools that are essential. Yeah, so you can add around 5, as many tags as you want. Maybe around 3 or so would be minimum. Yeah. Okay, anyways, the last thing you need to do is make sure that you backdate your post. So so this post shouldn't be published immediately. You shouldn't publish it immediately. In fact, you should backdate it. So let's backdate it a month before. So let's make it maybe 10th of May. We backdated this and change the timing a little bit. All right, make it like 10:33 or something. Yeah. So make sure all the posts have different timings and the posts are backdated. So click OK. And then for the rest, SEO, Yoast, everything, don't worry about it. Uh, you don't really have to do anything about it. Just upload the post. So just click publish and publish without SEO settings. And then now you can view the post. So this is important, right? Okay, so see this is how it looks like when you publish a post. Okay, alright. So I hope this video gives you some information on how to publish a post. You have more in the future. After you publish this post, you can delete it. Yeah, you can just delete it and then add new stuff to your your blog. So if you have any questions, let me know and I'm happy to answer. Anyway, have a good day. In this video, I realized I forgot one thing that is really important when you're uploading articles. So after you upload articles into your website, say for example, I'm using this website, right, where it's uploaded, everything is done. So you have lots of articles. Say this website has 5 articles, right? So in general, each website will have 5 or 6 articles backdated. Anyways, so one very important thing you need to do is you have to interlink your articles together. So for example, let me show you what I mean. So okay, let's see. Okay, look. So alright, this is an interlink. So you see, not too difficult to grow, and you click on it and it goes to another post. So you need to do this in after you upload all the articles. So what I usually do is, for example, uh, uh, okay, if I go to the dashboard here, so I'm just gonna show you this dashboard behind. So I can see that there's a few different posts on this site, right? So there's 3 types of essential fertilizers, flowers, seeds, plants, using homemade insecticides, how to deal with pests. So I would get something on this garden pests post and link some images to I will link some words to that post. Okay, for example, I'm gonna find the insecticide post. Okay, it should be this one. Yeah, okay, this one. So alright, look, I'm gonna copy this link here and then I'm just gonna find a related keyword that I can do uh, with this post. So I'm gonna use this post and this is another post, and so you see organic pesticides, right? So I would highlight these 2 words and then click here. Yeah, and I'll copy paste it on the words and it will automatically become a link. And after you're done, just update. Yeah, so that's what I really need you to do. Just keep interlinking posts with each other. So a guideline would be every post should have at least should be either linking out to one post or receiving at least one link from another post. So you can form a pyramid where it's like, for example, um, so for example, this post is linking to this post, is linking to this post, and this post is linking to this post as well, and this post is linking to this post. So you can get all the posts to link to this post. But the really important post that you should get all these smaller 500 word posts to link to would be posts that are talking about a kind. For example, this one, where it's a florist kind, Singapore florist delivery, right? Where you link one post, you link all the random posts into this post. So I will just take this URL again, and then choose something related to florist delivery and then just copy and paste it. Yeah, so that's what I will do, and then update. So this is really important and I need you to know that. Anyways, thanks for watching this video.